Hi everyone, I'm from Regrob.com and today we are visiting at Indrapuram Habitat Centre, which is located in Indirapuram Ghaziabad. Indrapuram Habitat Centre is a commercial property by Victory Infratech Pvt Ltd. This project is built across 10 acres of land. So this is the project location and it offers premium low-rise shops with low maintenance. As here you can see the low-rise street shops. This project is surrounded by the premium societies like ATS, Shipra, Krishnapura Garden and Orange County. So this is the view of rooftop bar and restaurant. This project offers the most luxurious commercial space with ample space of parking. And this is the view of rooftop specialty restaurant. This project also carries multi-cuisine restaurant. So this is the view from first floor of mall. This mall is located in one of the prime location of Indrapuram. And here you can see the various retail shops. This project is a hub of entertainment and recreational zone. So here you can see the various premium low-rise street shops. This project carries 100 of brands for shopping. So this is the view of Indrapuram Habitat Centre from the main road. So thank you friends for watching this video. For more real estate updates, kindly subscribe to our channel, and for site visit and queries, kindly call us at the given number. Thank you.